Okay, guys, now let us see what is separation consciousness in twin flame concept. Okay, twin flame means twin flames are same soul in two different bodies. Okay, that same soul, when it got separated in the lower dimensions, it has become feminine portion polarity and masculine polarity, but it has come from the same soul only na. So the root higher self is same for both. Okay, that higher self will be present within the masculine, that same higher self will be present within the feminine also. Okay, higher self's masculine will be within the feminine, earthly feminine, and higher self divine feminine will be in the within the earthly masculine. Okay, so being a feminine, I have the divine masculine within me. Okay, so higher self, so the divine masculine is present within me only na. So the twin flame concept itself is like self transformational journey by surrendering yourself to the divine component, divine masculine who is within you, and making your divine person, divine complement as your provider and protector. Instead of doing this, what we do is we want a physical person. Okay, that divine masculine, whomever we think twin flame concept, we know all this name, we get attached to this concept and all. We meet somebody outside and we keep on thinking this could be my twin, that could be my twin flame, like that, until unless you write a love list, these are the qualities of my twin flame, these are the characteristics and behavioral attitudes of your twin flame. Until unless you know that from within yourselves, then only you can recognize and identify your twin flame outside. Okay, until then, if you don't know any of these inner works and you have not done any inner work, okay, and just in you are living in the social conditioning society, and you have had so much of bitter experience, you have been with so much of toxic persons in your life, and you want to come out of that toxic persons, and you have not yet healed, but you have known somebody else now, and they show them a few characteristics of your twin, and you have not wrote the love list. Now only when you write the love list, 100% these are the characters. Now whomever you see, whatever you get attracted, you will feel these are my twin flames characteristics, and you will keep on thinking this could be my twin flame, this could be my twin flame, like that, outside persons only, instead of being and living with your divine masculine who's within your heart space. So this way of living is called, you are completely separated from your divine complement and searching for a earthly complement. This way of living is called separation consciousness in twin flame concept.